In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we're going to give you an overview of the 10 film roll transitions that were introduced in the summer of 2022 for owners of PowerDirector 365. All of them do a little bit of color shifting at the beginning, and then they move in one of several different directions, or rotate or flip. We'll show you each of the 10. The first one basically will take the first video, and you will see a slide to the left and transition to the second video. Notice the color shift in the middle of the screen. Number 2 will take the first scene again. This time it will slide down, and notice the very dramatic color shift in this one at the opening of the transition. Number 3 will move to the right, and we move right, and then we locate the second video in the end of the transition. Film roll transition number 4. Basically, we'll take that and slide down, you move upward, and then you get the second video again. We have the color shift engaged as well. Film roll transition 5 will basically zoom out, and then move to the left, and then zoom in. Film roll transition 6 will zoom out as well, only this time it will move down several images and then go into the second video. Number 7 will zoom out and move left, almost in a slightly horizontal rapid range, and then move to the right. Number 8 will slide down, and then it will go angled, and then zoom in on the second video. Film roll transition number 9 will zoom out, and then it will give you a 360 rotation, and then zoom in on the second video. Film roll transition 10 will zoom out, move up, and then give you a 360 rotation. So that's a quick overview of those transitions.